win coming in for the for the Unnao survivor. Supreme Court has stayed the Delhi High Court's order. That's the big win coming in for the survivor and the uphill fight that she has fought legally for all these years. Bhavtosh, I believe finally there is that ray of justice creeping through.
Yes, in fact, as the hearing started at around, one can say at around 11:15, it lasted around 35 to 40 minutes with Tushar Mehta, the second most senior legal officer in the country, making the arguments. But it was his last 2 minutes or 3 minutes in which he, in fact, asked the Supreme Court that the state is, in fact, virtually asking the Supreme Court to make a stay as far as this case is concerned, that they will make a detailed arguments later. Even as the Singh's lawyers started the argument, the Chief Justice of India said that they are making an exception as far as this case is concerned, that tentatively they will stay the High Court order. They did not go into the merits of the Delhi High Court order, but said that because he's already arrested, in fact, he has already been convicted in the culpable homicide case, that is victim's father's murder case, they will be staying the order. The respondents have been issued a notice, but a very, one can say, a huge relief and a victory for the victim's family, for the survivor, as well as to her mother. They, in fact, had protested in this harsh weather outside India Gate. They have been detained at time and again in the capital by the paramilitary forces, by the police. In fact, she had also filed a complaint with the CBI against the investigating officer. In a knee-jerk reaction, the CBI moved a special leave petition in the Supreme Court, and it was because of their sustained campaign, no one else but their sustained campaign, that forced CBI to, in fact, asked the Solicitor General to present their case before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court itself had set up the winter vacation bench, including that of Chief Justice of India. And after 35 to 40 minutes of hearing, there is a stay as far as Delhi High Court order. The order will be coming out very soon, but without going into the merits of the case, without saying
Yogita Bayana, the rape survivor's lawyer speaking, I believe. Let's see if we can catch her on camera.
Ji.
Ma'am, what happened today? The order has been stayed. What were the arguments that were passed by the what were the observations that were made by this Supreme Court?
Supreme Court said कि prima facie they wanted to, and verbally they had said, and now तो अब उन्होंने announce ही कर दिया stay, और उन्होंने पीड़िता को भी बुलाया to intervene and kind of file her own petition, and asked Kuldeep Singh Sengar to give his side of the story in 4 weeks. I think it's the biggest victory.
So, ma'am, what are you expecting? What are you going to file, since there has been a relief that has been granted to the victim as well, and she has been asked to file an application? What is the ground that you are going to raise on?
We will discuss with our lawyers, and we will get to know only then.
मैम, एक आखिरी सवाल कि आपकी सुरक्षा और पीड़िता की सुरक्षा को लेकर क्या आप लोगों का आने वाले समय में?
पीड़िता की सुरक्षा तो है उसके पास अभी, और उसके परिवार,
आप लोगों की भी तो सुरक्षा होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि आप लोग भी
जी अभी जी
और इस केस को प्रॉपर्ली देख रहे हैं, तो फिर ऐसे में
अभी मैंने सोचा नहीं है उस बारे में, बट I think I will have to ask. I will ask.
Ma'am, there was a
Would you consider this a victory?
Absolutely, it's a victory, and this is what we were seeking and we got. So I think it's a victory for us. Thank you.
So this was